What's up, guys? So today we're working on my buddy Joey's LJ. We're going to be doing an oil change, probably changing the filter out or at least cleaning the filter, and then we're going to do a muffler delete, make this thing sound real nice and good. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so we're going to check out the filter here. I always like to just kind of slide this back, and then you can kind of just peel up and out. So looks a little dirty. We could probably use a new one, but we'll just compressed air this out. We'll blow this out, make it look. Blow this sucker out. Oh yeah. All right, I'm good with that. All right, so a lot better, a lot cleaner. Eventually. Probably put a new one. This one's really not that bad, so we'll throw her back in. I'm just gonna clamp it down. Put all these latches on there. Alrighty, so his radio kind of was acting a little goofy, so I pulled out the fuse, I think, for the radio, and this fuse is all the contacts are all corroded, so I'm gonna clean this up. That might help a little bit. We'll see. It might just be a little bit finicky. So I'm going to clean this out for him. Just clean it up with this wire brush here. Kind of make it look a little bit, get a little bit better contact, hopefully. A little bit of sandpaper helps as well. All right. I'll just stick this guy back in here. Should be good. Hopefully that'll help. We'll zip tie this up. Zip tie this up and out of the way. Okay, cool. So that's better. And then this is, I would assume, supposed to be grounded. So we're gonna have to find a spot for this guy.
Way bigger heads.
Right. Okay. Through this, but it kind of looks like it does, or it should anyway. Okay. That should be good. That's better. It's kind of nice and a little bit more organized now, which is great. So, alrighty. Now we're going to work on getting the oil filter off. So we got most of it off. Get the rest of it. Man, these AC lights. High-end Jeep with air conditioning, Joe. Nice. Nice. Alrighty, so just took the muffler off, unbolted it, chopped it off. So we're gonna, obviously you guys know what this sounds like with my Jeep, but yeah, that sounds good. Alright, see you, dude. He ended up buying an MBRP muffler, and then it just dumps after the muffler. So
But and then he also just got a hard top for it, so obviously different day. But got a really nice hard top. What color is this?
The dark khaki.
The dark khaki. Yeah, it looks really good. So we're gonna do a little bit of refinishing on it. It's scuffed up just a little bit in some certain spots, but other than that, it looks really, really nice. So we'll probably do a video fixing that, repainting it, make it look nice, and then just doing some type of headliner in there as well. So, alrighty, so we're just gonna be throwing this this muffler in. So I don't have it all bolted in yet, but it's got a little flange over there. And it hooks up there, and then really cool, I'll show you guys this. So it's got this, and then it's got a clamp that attaches right to that clamp here, which is really neat. So really cool little design. So we'll start there, and then we'll just kind of work our way all the way back. Alrighty, so did a little bit of exhaust sealant on there just to, you know, really seal it up. But this system is very nice, and then it just dumps right at the axle. Very cool. Really nice little system, actually. Alrighty, so first startup with the MBRP exhaust. Nice. Still got some grunt to her. So much quieter. Nice. Yes. It doesn't. Right? You like it? Yeah. You're clear. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Working on my buddy's LJ. Changed out the exhaust. He straight piped it. A little bit too loud, which is understandable for normal people. Never owns a psychopath like me. And then put a nice MBRP muffler system on it. Really nice tone. It has that grunty low-end tone to it. It just doesn't have that high-end rasp. It kind of takes that away. And then obviously the volume level's way better. And yeah, he also bought a hardtop, which is pretty cool. So we'll be doing a video kind of refinishing that and kind of making it nice and new again. And so stay tuned for that video. If you guys want to see more on the LJ, give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That always helps me out. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.